Hello, chemistry students. I hope you had a relaxing President's Day. So this week, it's the weekly overview for week number 5, February 16 to 19. And as a folder gets old, like the learning week number 4 is gonna be moved to the absent folder. What did you miss semester 2? All right, so just want you to make to know that anything that's older than the current week is slowly being moved to the absent folder. So that said, this week we are going to touch base on checkpoint 1 at the beginning of class on Tuesday, and then the rest of the week we'll be working on checkpoint 5, and that's the seashell investigation, the explanation part of the seashell investigation that involves calculations, and that's done in the packet, pages 4 to 6 of the packet that you started working on last week. So let's look at this week plan. So as you see, beginning of class, we are going to touch base on the checkpoint 1. Then we are working on the checkpoint 5, pages 4 to 6 of Explain the Seashell Investigation packet. We are going to continue working on this on Thursday, and you're still going to have time on Friday to finish it up if you need to. I will show you resources, formulas to help you solve the questions that involve using dimensional analysis. And that will be provided in the class slides for the checkpoint 5. You will be able to work at your own pace. On Wednesday, I have a workshop at 9 a.m. where you can feel free to check in if you need help still with the acid-base POGIL, understand if you need extended time to finish it up, and you can come in and get some help to finish it up. As well as if you are done with acid-base POGIL, you can get some help on the checkpoint 5 that we will start on Tuesday. The one-on-one appointments are also available, and you need to, for example, those one-on-one is when you want individualized attention. Also, if you have some questions on focus areas, that's the good time to ask those questions on one-on-one. If you have time on Friday, you can get started with the other part of the checkpoint 5, which is on summit learning, which it will consist of constructing an evidence-based explanation. Know that you will also have some time to work on it at the beginning of next week. We will spend Tuesday class time on it as well. So that's all I have to say for this week, and I'll talk to you later.